All right, y'all, I gotta kick this to y'all real quick, man. I got a 1985 Impala, man. Y'all see this motherfucker? She bad, thick. She sexy, all kind of shit, man. Welcome to the motherfucking land, man. The first one of the next ones, man. First land of the next. Let's go through. Let's see. Yeah, she look good. Yeah, she look good. I gotta get it at this angle. Yeah, she look good. She look good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Got some shit going on down here. Yep. Yeah, I got some shit going on down here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. We got works to do. Ski. She a motherfucking beauty, man. It's my motherfucking baby. Now, let's give her a quick spin on the inside. Let y'all see a bit of the inside, man. Let y'all see some go over the nooks and crannies and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? You know, got, you know what I'm saying? Got the wind up, roll up, wind up, roll up. All original seats. All original. All original seats. These motherfuckers come up and go back, man. All original now. Come in here, man. Get in the car with me. Ah. You know what I'm saying? You got your motherfucking shit. All my shit work. My blinkers and shit, everything work. Yeah, everything work, my boy. Everything must go. But yeah, man, y'all can get videos of me detailing. Y'all know I'm black, man. Detailing and shit. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get that bit. We gonna get that bit cleaned out and rolling and things of that nature. All right, y'all. Let's go around the body right quick, man. About some shit I gotta, you know. I'm about to start peeling these off. We might as well do that together as the first part of being on the brothers, man. We might as well take this shit off together.
We'll have to sand all that shit down anyway.
Yeah. It's about that time anyway. I could buy some new ones. Ah, that shit hurt. We gotta take these bitches off. Ooh, man. God damn. I gotta come on off, man. Yep, but y'all see the little rests and shit. We gonna sand that shit down. You know what I'm saying? This shit. I don't know how we gonna fix this, but we gotta fix that. You see that motherfucker say Impala down. The hood. Going over the little nicks and crannies that I've been looking at. Brother pulled another one of them things off. You know, this shit got little minor dents and shit. Just look. You know what I'm saying? Minor dents and shit. Minor shit. Yeah, minor shit. Damn. I can't tell y'all boys what we keep posted, man. This is the introduction video, man. Go watch the next video of us going to pick this bitch up and y'all know. Yeah. Yeah. What up, YouTube, bro? We back in the same day again in the same drip, bro. We don't get no sleep, bro. We don't get no sleep. We back with the motherfucker Impala, bro. We trying to get it bit cleaned up. About to clean it bit up because she ain't been cleaned up in a very long time. Let's spray her down. Let's spray her down.
I need you to break this down with this. As you boys can see, we about to get her clean. You sprayed the tires?
Yeah.
Damn.
What?
That rust don't really show that bad. For real.
All
right.
I'm gonna teach y'all how to clean because he don't know how to clean. Look. What y'all want to do is, you gonna circular motions, my boy.
I did circular
No, you
motions.
didn't.
Yes, I did.
Some stuff y'all gonna be able to see. I ain't gonna be able to get out. Ooh, this shit was dirty. Yeah. This shit was dirty.
Show him your face again. Yeah, ugly as shit. We multitasking for y'all right now, real talk. Well, me especially. Bro. Hey, bro, we gonna have to set y'all up somewhere. Hold on, give me one moment, bro.
Oh, yeah. That look good.
I don't got the full car. Well, we can switch the angles after. It just show your legs.
You see this?
Yeah, you see the car, yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep, I see you on the side too. All right. That motherfucker was dirty.
It was.
No, you got the whole pod thingy in the house. What are videos? As y'all can see, ooh boy, on this cam, that mug looking sexy. As y'all see that boy getting shiny. I mean, my bad. I said that boy, you know what I'm saying? You know she a girl, her name Bertha.
Almost cut my hand open on that shit.
Ooh, look at twin. You know it's getting clean when you see the soap. Oh. You might need a little bit more soap on there though, twin. Oh, that's a pre-wash?
Yeah.
Alright. Hey, twin, if you see how this motherfucker busting off this. Hold on. Hey, hold on, twin. I'm gonna have to disperse from you real quick. My God, y'all.
No, nigga, you just follow me. You doing it wrong. Just listen to me.
Bro, I'm just trying to get them the view real quick. Trust me, twin, I got you. I'm coming all the way around the car, right back where you at. Ugly dude. You know, we're gonna get them fixed. We're gonna get them fixed. Who said we gotta go to a car wash? Shit, not today. Not tomorrow.
That's a lot of dirt that came off that spot.
It did. And they got a peanut head, y'all.
It's cool. When I wear my jerk backs, I'm like, this guy ain't gonna be able to see it.
You want ugly ass. You know what he look like, y'all? Hey, bro, the one nigga.
Yeah, here this nigga go gas.
I can't think of the nigga name. That nigga was like, nigga, I look good. Ooh, look at this, Jay. Come here, look at this right here.
I seen it already.
Yeah. She look clean. She's shiny.
She's shiny, y'all. You know she needs some work, but she a new beginning, you know what I'm saying? Woo! He's a bad man, my jammer. And let your smile is sweet. She's a bad man, my jammer. This is my baby right here, man. She was dirty. Still dirty, man. Guys to clean her up.
Guys to clean up. We about to do this side. You see, I ain't did this side yet. Even though it still look good, I have not did this side yet because I'm about to start getting this side.
Type shit. You know what I'm saying? We want to get all the way. See how that shit was dirty? Yeah, that shit was dirty, y'all. No bap. And it's just my little hand wash, y'all. You know, the car wash is gonna do this something else. This for right now. You know what I'm saying? The car wash gonna do this motherfucker something decent. You know, the car wash, you know what I'm saying? You can go select what you want to get done to. You want to polish stuff? What I want done to. Yeah. I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Follow y'all dreams, cuz y'all can do shit like this, cuz it's a little ingenuity. A little faith, man. A little faith, man. You got a week worth of vids, nigga. As your boys can see, man, we gotta go and vacuum later, man. There's a few coins and shit around here, big, bro. But yeah, man, y'all can get videos of me detailing. Y'all know I'm black, man. Detailing and shit. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get that bit. We gonna get that bit cleaned out and rolling and things of that nature. All right, y'all. That's the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Yeah, man, we out. We about to go to work again, man. I'm posting a lot for y'all boys. I just cleaned out the engine bay earlier. That video gonna drop. You know we cooking, man. I gotta see what all I gotta do for this bitch. I got a slight. I got a little list of shit that I wanna take care of on that bitch first before I start sanding it down. So we gonna talk about that in another video. That could be its own little full separate video, and I could just show y'all like as I'm going and shit, like put them on the screen and shit like that. But behind that though, boys, man, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all boys for watching this shit. For all y'all new people who just now, you know, getting to know me. You know what I'm saying? I'm Kale, man. Nice to meet y'all boys. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and make sure y'all comment on the video, man. But before y'all go, man, one thing I want to point out, something real bad, bro. I'm getting some new rims, and I'm getting some ASAP, bro. ASAP, bro. ASAP. So if y'all know somebody with some 22s or some 20s, bro, let me know, bro. I'm buying them ASAP, bro. ASAP, bro. But like I'm saying, man, for the boys that don't know me, man, you know what I'm saying? We be chilling, man, on this side. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all don't like vibing and stuff like that, bro, don't talk to me, bro. We be high. You know what I'm saying? Kids, they don't know what we, you know what I'm saying? They don't know what they talking about. But anyway, I'm gone. Make sure you like, subscribe, man. And this video has, I'm not putting no music on this video. Y'all not getting no music no more. I'm tired of adding music, bro. Y'all get straight commentary. And I'll give y'all music later, bro. I ain't doing no music on the videos no more. Y'all get straight commentary like this. Ski.